Ni hao, xiang shang. Hello, I'm David White. I'm a sound designer, film sound designer from Australia. It's a real pleasure to be here for the Sci-Fi Film Festival. This is an incredible part of China. It's the first time I've been to this region of China. The natural beauty in this area is incredibly striking. It's got beautiful weather. For me, I'm very excited that I'm on the coastline where there is an abundance of seafood, which happens to be my favourite.